What's going on, ladies and gentlemen of YouTube? It's Dad from Dad Simply Surviving today. From Dad Simply Cooking. And today we're making something delicious, something that's going to hug you from the inside out, and something that everybody's going to want more of. That's homemade biscuits and gravy. So go ahead and preheat your oven to 425. We're going to use self-rising flour, 2 cups of self-rising flour. I'm making a double batch. I'm going to have the recipe in my description below. And there's also a video where I just made biscuits. I'm going to also have it linked below if you just want that video. So I got 4 cups here of self-rising flour. And all I'm going to do is I got my butter. It's been in the freezer all night. And we're just going to incorporate our butter into our flour. And we're just going to knead it in there. So normally 2 cups, 1 stick of butter. For 4 cups, we're using 2 sticks of butter. And we're just going to press that butter all in there. And then just try to mash it and spread it all around. Try to give everybody some loving. Now, typically the ingredients for the buttermilk is 3/4 a cup. I found is the perfect amount. We're going to eyeball it. We're going to eyeball it. With your 2 cups of flour, you're going to need 3/4 buttermilk. But just eyeball it because you can always add more, but you can't take away. 1, 2, 3. And I'm making a double batch, but I just want to incorporate this. Start getting it mixed around. I'm going to show you how to make a really good layered biscuit today. Alright, once we get it to a consistency we like, we're just going to go ahead and put it down on some flour. And we're going to start kneading, Roll it out. Fold over. And then we fold over. Get all those pieces together. Because we all think. And then we're just going to cut. And look at that. A good old biscuit that will rise quite nicely. Our biscuits. We're making a lot of biscuits. We're going on a trip next week. So put them in your oven at 425 for about 18 minutes. Once you get everything good and cleaned up a little bit, you're going to keep on simply surviving. We got our breakfast sausage, premier sausage. I try to get all that sausage out. I got some bacon over here because I want to get that grease from that bacon. It's really going to help bring it in. That's applewood bacon. All right, now that our sausage is starting to sear, or sizzle, we want to break it up. The heat on this, as everything's looking nice, just add some flour into your meat. You're building a meat roux. A meat roux? Yeah, that's right. A cup of milk. And then a little bit of whole milk. Or whipping cream, I mean. About a half a cup. And then you're just going to mix that in, or whisk it in. We're just going to whisk, whisk, whisk. What you're doing is you're just breaking that roux, the meat roux you made. You're breaking it apart. Getting good and flavorful. I'm going to add my pepper. To me, a good country gravy, very peppery. Okay? And then we're going to add a little bit of red pepper flakes. Just a little bit. So I got one of my biscuits here. They're out the oven. Look at that. Perfect. We're going to go ahead and scramble some eggs. I'm going to drop some cheese on those eggs. A little pepper. I got 2 of my biscuits. I'm just going to pop it open. Pop this one open too. Oh, yeah. Very nice. I'm just going to get some gravy. Bloop, 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 bloop. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm talking about right there. Yes. We're just going to try it with just the biscuits and the gravy. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Oh. Mm. Oh, yeah. Put some of that egg in there. And it has like the perfect kick to it. And then you can see those layers in the biscuit. Yep. So this is biscuits and gravy. Okay. And I put some egg on it. You can't make that noise. That's biscuits and gravy, Southern style, plain and simple. It can't get no better. I tell you, I tell you, I tell you. Make some biscuits. It's easy to make biscuits, y'all. It's a lot easier than I thought. And then you get delicious looking biscuits. A nice brown bottom. And then you pull it open and look. It's steamy, it's airy, it's good. Buttery. Your kids are screaming they want a biscuit. So I'm going to plate up for them. And y'all, I'll see you next time. I love you. Y'all have a great weekend. Happy Father's Day. Y'all take care.